The following video is a paid advertisement by Spin Master. Now, originally when Spin Master contacted me asking if I'd be interested in reviewing a robot called the BOXER, I automatically assumed a fighting robot that we can go toe-to-toe against. However, they sent over this cute little guy. It's actually a really tiny sized robot, that's right, in the shape of a box. Now, that's where the name came from, but it's actually got a lot of personality built into it, in which it's a fully independently controlled robot. Meaning you don't actually have to download an app to use it. So that's actually a huge plus. Now it's got a lot of different things such as games, gesture control, sensors, you name it. So seeing what it's all about should be quite interesting. But before we do, let's go ahead and rewind and unbox this thing. So this here's our box. It's actually a really interesting design. You got the robot here kind of peeking at you from the top. So literally you open it up just like this and out comes a ball. So this here is like one of his little toys that you can play with it, and it says right there, time to play. So literally it is a robot that is fully functional right outside the box. So you get a ball, you get a robot, you get a controller. These here are all the cards that you get, literally they're barcodes, and on the back here kind of tells you what they do. So you got like DJ bot, soccer, fortune teller, go-kart, you name it. So we'll kind of go through each of these as well, kind of see what they're all about. So you also get a USB port, and over here is a quick little instruction manual. It's trying to explain you step by step how to use it. We don't really need that. Whoa. Oh. Hey, Boxer. I think he's showing off. I love his voice. Oh, he sees his ball. So he wants to play it. Oh, look, he's following it. Whoop, where's your ball? Oh, look, he's following my hand. So he's got a sensor on there which detects it. So he's actually like playing with me too. That's so cute. So this here is our first card, which is Robot Soccer. So we're gonna go ahead and press the button on the back, and then he's gonna scan it. You have to scan it the right way. Make a sound saying that it's ready. Awesome! So it's looking for the ball, I'm assuming, so. Oh! All right, let's see if you can kick it. Oh! Good job. So he does a little celebration. So let's go and try the slingshot one next. I love the music. So let's go and push him back. Oh! That was awesome. Let's see what else we got. We got bot bowling. Okay. That's actually really fun. So you set up the pins, and then you gotta like literally throw him like a ball. So knocked out all three. Strike. Let's see what else we got. We got fortune teller. So this here's fortune teller. So you know, if you scan it, you ask him a question, and he'll tell you what your fortune is. So let's try this out. All right. So let's see what he does. So he puts some question marks on his face. Now we can ask him a question and be like, will we ever hit 1 million subscribers? And shake it. Maybe. So, you know, that's actually pretty awesome that you can actually use it for that feature too. And then we also have a DJ bot. So the way this works is if I put my hand in front of it, it'll play music. Now we also have dance party. Yeah! So that's like rock and roll music. Ooh. He got like hearts on his face too. Alright, so that was dance number 2. Next thing we'll try is stunt show. Ooh. Oh! So he does like flips and stuff like that. So that was stunt show. And then lastly, we have ourselves a laser tank. Alright, so we got our controller. So you move forward, back, left, right, and we press the triggers. Whoa! He actually moves like a tank too. Let's try that again. That's like a laser beam. You got 2 different kinds. That's so awesome. So I can imagine having 2 of these would be really fun to like kind of fight against each other. Alright, well there you have it. This robot is actually a lot of fun in a small package. Not to mention it comes with a lot of different things that you can do already straight out of the box. But you can also download the app and kind of go ahead and expand on that by playing more games and unlocking more features. Now overall, this robot has a lot of personality in a small package. Definitely very friendly as well as kid friendly. And allows you to go ahead and play with it, and it's actually very cute to look at. Now if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below, and if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. However, either way, be sure to subscribe for more videos. We'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye bye.